I'm back. Well, got the two panels that were up there off. The roof is now bare. And extremely dirty, if I may add. But now I can put this rack that is roughly shaped together and somewhat measured up there so I can figure out where I'm going to cut. Because this L bracket stuff, I'm going to mount this way and I'm going to cut up into the sides of it. Well, here, up into the sides of it to make grooves for these crossbars to sit in to help stabilize it even better. And then I'll bring it back down and measure and mount the solar panels on it, or place the brackets for the solar panels on it. Then I'm going to paint it with that very same roof sealer that I'm fitting to put on that roof. Well, after I wash it, of course. But getting them old panels down was quite an ordeal, since I had to reach all the way up under them with barely any room to undo the bolts. But you know, didn't think about that when I was putting them up, did I? But they're down. I'm gonna take me a sit down, drink me some cold water, overthink this for a few minutes, and then get back to it. More updates coming.